ಮಂಗಳೂರಿನ ಎಜೆ ವೈದ್ಯಕೀಯ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನ ಮತ್ತು ಸಂಶೋಧನಾ ಕೇಂದ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ನವೆಂಬರ್ 2ರವರೆಗೆ 11ನೇ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿಕ್ ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಮರ್ಜೆನ್ಸಿ ಮೆಡಿಸಿನ್ ಅಂತಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಸಮ್ಮೇಳನ ಆಯೋಜಿಸಲಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಎಜೆ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತು ಸಂಶೋಧನಾ ಕೇಂದ್ರದ ವೈದ್ಯಕೀಯ ನಿರ್ದೇಶಕ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಪ್ರಶಾಂತ್ ಮಾರ್ಲಾ ಸುದ್ದಿಗೋಷ್ಠಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ತಿಳಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಕ್ಟೋಬರ್ 31 ಸಂಜೆ 5ಕ್ಕೆ ಎಜೆ ವೈದ್ಯಕೀಯ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ಸಂಶೋಧನಾ ಕೇಂದ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಮ್ಮೇಳನದ ಉದ್ಘಾಟನೆ ನಡೆಯಲಿದೆ. ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ಕನ್ನಡ ಜಿಲ್ಲಾಧಿಕಾರಿ ದರ್ಶನ್ ಎಚ್.ವಿ, ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಸ್ಮಾರಕ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟ್ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಎಜೆ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ, ಡಬ್ಲ್ಯೂಎಸಿಎಂ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಶೈಕ್ಷಣಿಕ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಸಾಗರ್ ಘಲ್ವಂಕರ್, ಡಬ್ಲ್ಯೂಎಸಿಎಂ ಪ್ರಧಾನ ಕಾರ್ಯದರ್ಶಿ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ವಿಮಲ್ ಕೃಷ್ಣನ್ ಪಿಳ್ಳೈ, ಡಬ್ಲ್ಯೂಎಚ್ಒ ಸಿಸಿಇಟಿ ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ಏಷ್ಯಾ ನಿರ್ದೇಶಕ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಸಂಜೀವ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಬೋಯ್, ಎಮರ್ಜೆನ್ಸಿ ಮೆಡಿಸಿನ್ ಪೀಡಿಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಪ್ರೇರಣಾ ಭತ್ರ ಅತಿಥಿಗಳಾಗಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಅವರು ಹೇಳಿದರು. ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಇಂಡೋ-ಯುಎಸ್ ಕೊಲಬರೇಟಿವ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿಕ್ ಎಮರ್ಜೆನ್ಸಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟ್ರಾಮಾ ಇನ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಆಯೋಜಿಸಿದ್ದು, ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿ ಆಫ್ ಪೀಡಿಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್, ಡಬ್ಲ್ಯೂಎಚ್ಒ ಕೊಲಾಬರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎಮರ್ಜೆನ್ಸಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟ್ರಾಮಾ ಇನ್ ಆಗ್ನೇಯ ಏಷ್ಯಾ ಸಹಭಾಗಿತ್ವದಲ್ಲಿ ಹಲವಾರು ಜಾಗತಿಕ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸುವಿಕೆಯೊಂದಿಗೆ ಏರ್ಪಡಿಸಲಾಗಿದೆ. ಪ್ರಪಂಚದಾದ್ಯಂತ ಪ್ರಮುಖ ತುರ್ತು ವೈದ್ಯಕೀಯ ತಜ್ಞರು ಸೇರಿದಂತೆ 800ಕ್ಕೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಪ್ರತಿನಿಧಿಗಳು ಮತ್ತು 60ಕ್ಕೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಅಂತಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಅಧ್ಯಾಪಕ ಸದಸ್ಯರು ಸಮ್ಮೇಳನದಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಅವರು ಹೇಳಿದರು.
Time that the World Conference brings everybody together. It's very unique. All the medical college promoters are working together to make this Congress successful. That is the most unique part of unity and collaborative creativity. So you work together, you grow together. That's important. And in emergency medicine, you have to work together. Emergency can happen anywhere. Anywhere. Anybody can fall. It is not always accident. It could be a heart attack, it could be stroke, it could be anything actually. You could slip from the staircase and have an ankle sprain, but while slipping you will hit your head, but because the ankle is hurting, you will forget you hit your head. Orthopedician will look at your ankle, forget to scan the CT. At night you will die in sleep because there was a bleed. There is a certain amount of training you need. You just cannot look at a patient and treat. It could be anything wrong. So for that, it's very, very important that these people all work together. We have big meetings going on. So one World Congress is like Olympics. Many things go on at the same time. WHO is doing its meetings. Skill schools are happening. There is games also. Many teams of students across the country are coming to play games. So medical games are happening. That is unique in this city. First time we are doing. People's Parishad, Janasamvad, never ever happened. So we are talking about problems where parents can look after their kids at home for first aid before they come. And small things, small bead gone up the nose, child has taken pills from mother's pill and eaten the medicines of that. What do? Child is crying because something bit, but you cannot see anything bitten. Child puts finger inside the electric current. How do you proof your house when a child is born? All these concepts general population doesn't know. So it is very important to have that parisamvad between people. You have to talk. So it's like a Olympics. Every college is doing something to make this successful. So that our vision is much bigger. Our vision with Dr. Marla and everybody is thinking is to make Mangalore the medicity of the future. The most important part of a medicity is to have number one infrastructure for emergency medicine. If a system does not have an emergency medicine infrastructure, that infrastructure is weak. Anything can go wrong here when you are sitting. What is your rescue? Simple question. Anything can go wrong, right? Chakkar and gir gaya, kya kare? While falling down, he may hit your neck. So in 2 minutes, ambulance should be there. 3 minutes, you should be in a hospital. Every hospital should be equipped. Your CAT scan should be in 8 minutes. That's what makes you a medicity level. This is the beginning. So you work together, you grow together, and you have a system in place. So if people start working together, then systems will develop. And that is one of the main missions, to present Mangalore to the world and bring the world to Mangalore.